Annette Berry, and I'm here at the World of Whirlpool in downtown Chicago. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook fava beans. Fava beans are a legume that's very popular in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. Okay, so here are what fava beans look like when they're dry. So they're nice and large. So what you want to do is you're going to start by soaking the fava beans overnight. So these have been soaking actually for about 15 hours. You do want to change the water one time throughout the soaking process. Once they're nice and plump, you're ready to cook them. If you're going to be using them to make falafel, you're going to want to soak them long enough so that you can pop the skin off. I'm actually going to use these to make a dip. So I'm going to keep the skins on, and I'm going to go ahead and start cooking them now. So that's just sort of a couple different ways that you can prepare them. So I'm going to drain this water off. And as I said, I did change the water once about halfway through the soaking process. So now I'm going to go ahead and place them in a stock pot. I'm going to cover them with just enough water to cover the beans. So you really don't want, I mean, this isn't really going to show you very well, but you really don't want tons of water. You want to just cover the beans. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some cumin. It doesn't necessarily matter how much, just a few shakes of cumin. Now I'm going to turn my burner on. I'm going to put it on high. I'm going to cover my pot. And I'm going to let these cook for a couple of hours until they're nice and tender. So we're going to keep an eye on it the whole time, and if need be, I'm just going to add some more water so that the beans are just covered. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to prepare fava beans. I hope I helped open your eyes on how to use an ingredient that you might not have been familiar with before.